what is up? Welcome back. Today we're bringing out Subculture. It has been so long since I've used this palette. I think it's because when I go out I want something that I can trust. I don't think I can trust Subculture yet. I think we're still getting to know each other. Like, we're still working out some kinks, so that is why I feel like I haven't really gravitated towards it. I only really wanted to play with it when I've got time to sit down and like film a video and things like that, so that's why we brought it out today. This is the look that I've created. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so for this look I'm going to start off with Edge, and I'm going to take that on a Sigma E35 brush, and I'm just going to place that in my crease for our transition shade. Remember to tap off any excess because a lot of fallout with this shade, and I've already done my face. Ooh, I'm doing a first impressions review on the NYX Total Control foundation drops. I'll leave a link up in the card up here so you guys can check it out if you're interested in seeing that. So I'm really annoyed my foundation's already done. I really don't want to like stuff it up, but we'll see. I love this shade. Oh my god. We're going into voiceover mode, guys. My mom decided she needed to vacuum, so we're voiceovering just this little bit here. I'm going in with Fudge, and I'm going to be taking it on a Morphe R39 brush. But any kind of like tapered, larger blending brush is kind of what I'm using. As you can see, Fudge, I was having a bit of a hard time blending it out, so I decided to go in with more of a kind of precise pencil brush. This is again from Morphe. It's just a pencil brush. Any kind of pencil brush that you have will work. This works to really pack on the shade and really kind of get the pigment down. And then I do go back in with that Morphe R39 brush just over the top, just to make sure everything's really blended. Then we're going to go back in with Edge, just on that same brush that we used in the beginning, to just buff around the edges to make sure everything is super seamless. We're going in with Rowdy next. I'm just taking this on a really small pencil brush, and I'm really focusing this just in the outer corner, just really packing on the color. Then I'm going to go back in with the pencil brush that we used with Fudge, just to kind of sweep it throughout my crease as well, and just diffuse the edges. I don't really want to be going in really harshly and blending this out because the pigment will just disappear with this shade. So just really small little blending motions to blend it over throughout my crease. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Edge and just buff around the edges again, just to make sure everything is blended together. Then I'm going to be taking a Sigma, this is an E35 brush, and I'm just going to run Edge across the lower lash line, and then I'm going to be using Fudge, which has a little bit of leftover Rowdy on it as well, and I'm just going to put this on the outer perimeters of the lower lash line. Then we're going to go in with Roxy, and I'm going to be taking this and placing it just basically where that transition of Rowdy and kind of my lid space is, just to add a little pop of kind of peach hue to the lid area. Next, we're going to cut the crease. I don't want to say cut the crease, we're not cutting the crease, we're just applying a little bit of concealer onto the more mobile lid area just to blanket it out, because we're going to go in with Cube next. Now, Cube is a really, really pretty shade, but it does need a kind of base, neutral, flat, tacky base to really show up. It's a beautiful shade, but I find this is the best way to apply it. So I'm just going in with Cube just over that concealer, then just placing Roxy again just in that transition area. I feel like it got kind of cleaned up with the concealer, so I just wanted to bring it back in with the look. So I'm just placing that on that seam, the kind of transition seam between Cube and Rowdy, and then I'm just going to pop a little bit of it on the lower lash line to really tie the top and bottom lids together. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've just applied my mascara and also my lashes. These are the Glamorous lashes from Australis, and now we're just going to move on to lip colors. The lip color I'm thinking I'm going to use is Toast from ABH, but we'll see. I'm going to apply it and we'll see. I don't know if this color is really going to suit the eyes, but let's just put it on and we'll see how it looks. Now, to finish off this look, really tie in the eyes with the face, I did apply a little bit of pink opal highlight from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, just to tie in that Cube color with the face as well. No, I'm really happy with that lip combination. I am actually going to put on a gloss as well. You're going to see how we go. This is the Shine Shine lip gloss from Essence. It might be a bit too pink. I'm not sure of the pigmentation of this. Oh, it's actually right. So guys, this is the finished look. So guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big like, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Have a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.